Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of smart pet care with a detailed review of the Coziwow Smart Open-Top Automatic Litter Box. We found this innovative product online, and we've added the link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what the Coziwow Smart Litter Box is all about. This is not just any litter box, it's a self-cleaning, high-tech solution designed to make life easier for both you and your feline friend. With its open-top design, it provides a spacious and stress-free environment for your cat to do its business, making it perfect for larger breeds and more timid pets who may feel restricted in traditional enclosed boxes. One of the standout features of the Coziwow litter box is its impressive 95-liter internal space and a generously sized entrance measuring 15 inches by 16.33 inches. This open design allows your cat to move around comfortably, catering to their natural instincts. The advanced sifting mechanism ensures that cleaning is efficient and hassle-free. Safety is paramount when it comes to pet products, and this litter box does not disappoint. It boasts a 24/7 smart safety protection system, equipped with 6 infrared sensors and 4 weight sensors. This ensures that the self-cleaning function pauses immediately when your pet enters the box, resuming only after they've left. This thoughtful feature provides peace of mind, especially for cats weighing over 3.3 pounds. Another impressive aspect of the Coziwow Smart Litter Box is its intelligent app control. By connecting to your home Wi-Fi, you can monitor your cat's health from anywhere. The app not only allows for remote cleaning with just one tap but also tracks your pet's bathroom frequency, duration, and even weight changes. This real-time data can help you catch potential health issues early, making it a great tool for proactive pet care. For those who lead busy lives or travel frequently, the Coziwow litter box is designed with practicality in mind. Its 15-liter sealed waste compartment can handle up to 15 days' worth of waste for a single cat, reducing the need for daily scooping. The automatic cleaning cycle and enhanced odor control ensure that your home remains fresh, making this litter box ideal for low-maintenance living. Setting up the Coziwow Smart Litter Box is a breeze, thanks to its tool-free design. You can get started in just minutes, and the modular components are removable and washable, making deep cleaning straightforward. The package even includes a cat litter mat to trap stray litter and a roll of trash bags for a tidy, leak-proof experience. So, who is the Coziwow Smart Litter Box suitable for? It's perfect for cat owners who want to simplify their daily routines, those with larger or multiple cats, as well as pet owners who prioritize their cat's comfort and safety. Additionally, busy professionals or individuals who travel often will appreciate the extended waste capacity and minimal upkeep. In conclusion, the Coziwow Smart Open-Top Automatic Litter Box combines convenience, safety, and health monitoring into one sophisticated package. With its thoughtful design and innovative features, it makes cat ownership a little easier and a lot more enjoyable. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.